Hey there SDK developers, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you in just a few minutes how I take an OpenAPI spec and transform it into client libraries, also known as SDKs, for every major programming language. Let me start by making my project directory. I'm going to grab an OpenAPI spec. Here I'll be using the Pokemon API spec, but any OpenAPI spec you have will work as well. If you don't know how to generate an OpenAPI spec, then check out the links in the video description. It's easy, and we have guides for many of the major API frameworks and programming languages out there. Now that I have my OpenAPI spec downloaded, I'm going to initialize my project directory by running liblab init. Then I'll select the languages I want to build. I'll give my project a name, and finally I'll select a license. I'll get prompted to build my project, but I'm going to say no right now. When you do want to build your project, you'll run liblab build like I am here. The build process will start. It will validate your OpenAPI spec and then start building your SDKs. The whole process takes about a minute, but let's just fast forward. And done. My project is now built. Now I'll navigate to the output directory where I can see a folder for each client library. These are fully built and ready for me to deploy to their respective package managers such as NPM, PyPy, and Maven. But for the time being, I'll just use them locally. To demonstrate a library in action, I'll navigate to the TypeScript/example folder where an example project has already been built for me during SDK generation. You can see the code here. This is a simple project that uses the generated SDK to make a request for data from the Pokemon API. I'll run npm run setup to install the SDK locally. And then npm run start to make the request. I slowed it down for you, but there we go. The request has generated the response we expected. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in learning more about how Liblab works and how you can incorporate it into your own projects and CI/CD pipeline, then check out the links down below or visit liblab.com/docs. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.